Hello, welcome back everyone. Today I would like to share you how to install Linux on PC. As you may know, CheckRa1n almost finished for Linux, so I want you to prepare Linux on your PC so you can jailbreak iOS 13. So before you can get started, you need to download Linux file here. It is ISO and the file is about 2 GB. In order to download, you can go to browser and you need to navigate to the link here. It is called Ubuntu desktop. So click on it and then it will download. After that, you will need the USB and make sure your USB is empty. And you need to open PoweriSO. For PoweriSO, I also include the link in description as well. You can get it for free. And after that, you need to plug in your USB. After plug in your USB, click on Tools, click on Create Bootable USB drive, and hit on OK. And then hit on Yes. Then it will ask you to select the file, so you can click on the folder icon and then choose your file. So my file is on desktop here, so I can select Ubuntu here and then click on open. Finally, you can click on start, but for me I have already done this, so I don't have to do that. So after you create bootable USB, it's time to restart your computer and you boot into Ubuntu. So now I already plugged in my USB, so I can boot into boot device option. I can press on F9 and then you will need to go to your USB, so which is this one, my USB. Hit on enter. After that, it will boot into Ubuntu as you can see. So all you have to do, just wait. So on the left side, it asks you to select the language. So I'm gonna go to English. And then on the right side here, I just click on install Ubuntu. And for the keyboard, I'm gonna go to English as well. And then I can click on continue. Click on continue again, so I don't need to connect to the Wi-Fi, so we can connect later on. So for what apps would you like to install? So I'm gonna go to normal installation. And for other option, I'm gonna check on install third-party software. And click on continue. So you may need to erase the disk and install Ubuntu. So before you can install Ubuntu, make sure your hard drive is empty. So make sure you back up all of your data into your hard drive, into your external hard drive. And then click on install now. So I'm gonna name it as CheckRa1n. Password, I'm gonna go to 1234. Now the installation is complete, so you just restart now, click on it. So now finally you are on the desktop of Linux or Ubuntu. So all you have to do, just wait for CheckRa1n to drop for Linux. And finally, thanks for watching, and I hope you like this video. And if you have any question, you can comment down below. And then we'll see you in the next one.